It's Christmas. Welcome to Business Morning. I'm Harriet Agbenyi. I'm glad you could join us. It's all about having fun today with friends and loved ones. And here on Business Morning, we're not left out as our focus today is on Nigeria's entertainment industry. Now, the industry is said to be one of the biggest in terms of the size of the market and also its sustainability. While the music and film industry alike have both provided veritable platforms for the emergence of small-scale entrepreneurs, unlike any other sector in the country. Of course, many experts have repeatedly said the entertainment industry can attain the position of becoming a major driver of economic growth and, of course, more job creation for the country if properly and seriously harnessed. But how can the potentials in this industry be harnessed? What are their challenges? How did the industry perform in the year under review, that is, this year? What are the expectations? And more importantly, what opportunities abound for the industry, particularly this season? Well, these and more will be our focus on today's edition of the program. I'll be joined on the show by a Nollywood actress, Stephanie Linus Neo-Kirike, and a producer in the entertainment industry, a talent hunter, and the CEO of Aboriginal Productions, Ihane Akigbe. Well, please join the conversation if you can. Just send your comments or questions to businessmorning@channelstv.com. Well, let's take a look at what's happening in headlines now. This time of the year is when there's a lot of buying and selling, but there are indications that the purchasing power of most shoppers is said to have dropped this year as compared to last year. Now, our correspondent BC Coker, who visited some major markets in Lagos, reports that although there was the usual beehive of activities, many complained of high cost of items.
Time of the year again when the hustle and bustle of buying and selling is at its peak. Here at the popular Mile 12 market in Lagos, it's a beehive of activities. This large turnout of shoppers anxious to get the best commodities grown at the high cost of these items.
The market because before we buy like last week we buy them 2,000, 2,500, but today since yesterday they say now 6,000, 7,000.
Now things have really gone up. Everything is up. Tomatoes, pepper, onion, Maggi, curry, name it. They've all gone up.
These traders give reasons for the increase.
The transport don't change. Transporter, the price where they carry motor last year, I know they passed 200,000, but now they carry motor almost 280,000. That's what make the price go up.
When the Christmas it is around the corner, the price it is increased. We started selling it 6,000, 7,000. Like yesterday, I started to selling it 5,000, 6,000. I end with 4,500. That is how the price increased. But before the Christmas, the price is decreased.
Food items are not the only things that have seen a surge this season. At the popular Balogun market, the battle between shoppers and traders also appears to be getting tougher.
We've not been selling, everything is just somehow, like today now we've not sold anything.
What we are buying 2,000 before is 2,500, and what we are buying 2,500 before is 3,000.
As is synonymous with the season, there is a tendency to overspend. And though it may sound like a cliche, spend wisely and save enough for the next day. BC Coker, Channels Television News.
Well, the Nigerian stock market is closed for the Christmas and Boxing Day holiday. Now, the local bourse closed bearish yesterday as investors took gains of some major stocks. We'll take a look at those numbers in just a moment. Now, even though the market closed in the red, stockbrokers say the impact of the festive season on the market has not been all that bad. Temple Ashaju has more in this report.
Contrary to a regularly busy trading session, the floor looks scanty with fewer stockbrokers on Tuesday. Against the usual 5-hour trading period, the market closed at 12:30 p.m.
to congratulate you on a strong year, and to wish you a happy holiday, safe journey for those of you that are traveling. I will see you in the new year when we come back.
And with the 4-hour trading session came a southward close of the stock markets.
Today, the markets came back slightly by 0.12%, reflecting the mood, because a lot of brokers have closed for the year. They've gone. You can see that the number on the floor is not as many as it used to be. So that shows you the situation as of today, like reflection of the Euro season.
During festive periods, people want to feel good. They want to spend money to celebrate, so I think that it's the same. You're talking about seasonal impact on the market. It hasn't been adverse for us actually, because you will notice that the market has been going up a bit tentatively, because again it's reflective of the real economy and what's going on in the market.
While trading activities are built to resume on Friday, stockbrokers are targeting the 40,000 psychological line for the all-share index before the end of the year. Temple Ashaju, Channels Television News.
The seasonal impact hasn't been all bad. Traders are actually expecting a quiet trading pattern as investors resume on Friday. As we heard from that report, the market will resume on Friday. The market's closed today and tomorrow because of the Christmas and Boxing Day holiday. But let's take a look at those numbers now quickly. We know that there was only 3 hours of trading yesterday to allow stockbrokers prepare for the holidays. So yesterday the market actually reversed gains recorded on Monday as investors took profit off some bellwethers. The all-share index slipped 0.12% to about 39,858.23, while market capitalization lost 15.53 billion naira to close lower at 12.76 trillion naira. The market breadth remained positive as 37 stocks outweighed 17 laggards. Well, the top 5 gainers, led by GSK, recorded gains under 3 naira. Investors gave major capitalized stocks, including Nigerian Breweries, Dangote Cement, Guinness, and Lafarge Cement WAPCO PLC, the cold shoulder. Volume and value traded reverted yesterday's decline as it grew by 110.6 and 10.04% to about 610.61 million units and 2.35 billion naira respectively. MTI PLC was the most traded stock for the day with over 267.61 million units churned out. It's followed by Unity Bank, Transcorp, FCMB and UBA. Well, Business Morning returns in just a moment. Please join us again. Welcome back. You're still watching the Christmas edition of Business Morning on Channels Television, and we're broadcasting live from Lagos, Nigeria.